Your life needs more wild. Forget your comfort zone. The world is vast, untamed, and waiting for you to step beyond the familiar. There's a primal call echoing from the forests, mountains, and rivers, a call that stirs something deep within us all. These are the 10 wildlife adventures that will change you. Each one is a doorway to a new perspective, a chance to witness nature's raw power and beauty up close. You'll find yourself humbled, exhilarated, and forever altered by what you experience. There's a rhythm to this planet, a pulse in its most remote corners, written in the thunder of hooves and the silent gaze of a wild creature. Every encounter is a reminder that we are part of something much larger, a living tapestry woven from countless lives and stories. This isn't just sightseeing, it's participation. You become a witness, a guest in the wild, and sometimes, if you're lucky, a part of the story itself. The wild doesn't just show itself to anyone, you have to earn its trust. Feel the ocean spray as a whale breaches, the crackle of a campfire under a billion stars, the tension as a predator moves through the undergrowth. These are moments that ignite your senses and awaken your spirit, reminding you what it means to be truly alive. These moments strip away the noise of modern life and connect us to something ancient and essential. In the wild, time slows down, and you rediscover the simple joy of being present, of breathing in crisp air and feeling the earth beneath your feet. Join me on a journey to the heart of the world's wilderness, 10 adventures that will transform you. Let's answer the call together and find out what waits for us beyond the edge of the map. On the endless plains of East Africa, the greatest show on earth unfolds, the Great Migration. Over 2 million wildebeest, zebra, and gazelle thunder across the savannah, a river of life and survival. Witnessing this epic journey is a humbling reminder of nature's raw power and resilience. Deep in the misty volcanoes of Central Africa, you trek through ancient rainforest, your boots sinking into the damp earth as the air fills with the calls of distant birds and the rustle of leaves. The anticipation builds with every step, knowing you are about to witness something truly extraordinary. At last you come face to face with the rare and majestic mountain gorilla, a species found only in these remote highlands. For one unforgettable hour, you quietly observe their family life, playful young tumbling through the undergrowth, watchful mothers nurturing their babies, and the wise silverback keeping a protective eye on his troop. A single look from a gorilla's deep, soulful eyes dissolves the barrier between species, forging a silent connection that words cannot describe. The encounter leaves you changed forever, filled with awe and a fierce desire to protect these gentle giants and the fragile world they call home. Descend into Raja Ampat's turquoise waters, the heart of the Coral Triangle. Swim through vibrant coral gardens, clouds of fish, and glide alongside manta rays and sea turtles. Every dive here is immersion in the planet's richest marine ecosystem, a dazzling testament to life's diversity. In India's dense forests, tracking a tiger on foot is pure adrenaline. Every snapped twig and distant call heightens your senses until, suddenly, a flash of orange and black appears. Seeing a wild tiger is a humbling, urgent call for conservation. Paddle quietly through cold northern waters, eye to eye with the world's largest creatures. A humpback breaches beside you, or orcas glide past, moments of awe that shrink your own existence. Kayaking with whales is a breathtaking, intimate encounter with the wild. Patagonia's jagged peaks and turquoise lakes challenge and inspire. Hike beneath condors, past grazing guanacos, and feel the raw power of glaciers calving into blue lakes. Standing at the base of the granite towers, you're deeply connected to the wild forces that shaped this land. On the Arctic tundra of Churchill, watch polar bears roam as they wait for the sea ice to return. From a tundra vehicle, witness their power and vulnerability, a poignant reminder of climate change. This is more than a sighting, it's a front-row seat to a critical conservation story. In the far north, the sky erupts in ribbons of green and violet, the northern lights. Standing beneath this celestial dance, you feel connected to the universe in a way words can't capture. It's a mystical reminder of our place in the cosmos. Glide by canoe through the Amazon, the world's most vibrant ecosystem. Spot monkeys, macaws, and pink river dolphins. Learn the secrets of medicinal plants with a local guide. Sleeping to the jungle's chorus, you awaken to the intricate web of life that sustains us all. In the world's great deserts, silence and space reign. By day, explore surreal landscapes. By night, camp under a sky ablaze with stars in the Milky Way. Lying beneath the infinite, you contemplate your place in the universe. The world is wild, untamed, and it's calling out to you. There's a sense of wonder waiting beyond every horizon, just waiting to be discovered. These 10 adventures are more than just trips. They're invitations to step outside the ordinary, challenge yourself, and connect with something truly real and unforgettable. Which one will top your bucket list this year? Imagine the stories you'll tell and the memories you'll make. Tell us in the comments below. Don't just dream about adventure. Start planning your journey today. The wild is out there, waiting for you to answer its call. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic journeys, travel inspiration, and expert tips to fuel your wanderlust. Your next great adventure starts right now. Where will it take you?